In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your HubSpot CRM Hub ID. Whether you're setting up integrations, customizing your account, or working on advanced setups in HubSpot, knowing where to locate your Hub ID is an essential step. It's a quick and simple process, but if you're new to the platform or haven't needed it before, it might not be immediately obvious. Let's walk through it together. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's begin. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's official website. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that, and then log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just use the password reset option provided on the login page, and you'll be guided through setting up a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your HubSpot dashboard. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen there. You'll see your profile icon. This may appear as your initials, or if you've uploaded a profile picture, it will display that instead. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, you'll want to click on your name or alias, whichever is listed at the top of the menu. This will reveal another drop-down menu with additional options. From here, select the option labeled Account. This will take you to your account overview page. On this page, you'll see a detailed summary of your account information. Now, what you're looking for here is your Hub ID. It should be clearly displayed among the account details. This number is crucial for things like integrations with other tools or custom setups within HubSpot, so make sure to take note of it when you find it. And that's it. You've successfully located your Hub ID in HubSpot. This ID is an important part of managing your account, especially when you're working on connecting other platforms or services. If you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.